Prove that sin A plus cos A divided by sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A divided by sin A plus cos A is equal to 2 by sin square A minus cos square A. LHS is equal to sin A plus cos A divided by sin A minus cos A plus sin A minus cos A divided by sin A plus cos A is equal to sin A plus cos A into sin A plus cos A, sin A plus cos A whole square plus sin A minus cos A into sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A whole square divided by sin A minus cos A into sin A plus cos A. Sin A plus cos A whole square is equal to sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A plus sin A minus cos A whole square is equal to sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin A into cos A divided by sin A minus cos A into sin A plus cos A is equal to sin square A minus cos square A is equal to 2 sin A cos A minus 2 sin A cos A cancel. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 plus sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 divided by sin square A minus cos square A is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 divided by sin square A minus cos square A is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.